everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Leticia, with a new video. Really quickly, I just want to say I am so sorry for that noise that you hear outside. They're fixing the water pipes on, well, pretty much in our neighborhood. So yeah, so sorry about that if you actually hear it in the background. It's not really loud, at least not as loud as I thought it would be, but if that's what you hear in the background, they're fixing the water pipes. So yeah, so I have been wanting to do a video that I'm not really used to making, and I just really want to try something new. If you don't know me, there are a lot of things that I have always wanted to do but never did because I was really scared of trying it, or because I just had no idea how it would turn out. But I have decided to just go with it and just make a video of it. I mean, who knows? Maybe you're in the exact same boat where you've never tried something before, but you've always wanted to, and if I can do it, so can you. So if you don't know me, or if you're still learning a little bit about me, something that you should really know is that I am not really good with makeup. I wear what I know how to put on and apply. I know a little bit, but not enough to be like a beauty guru and be like, so this is the number 4 brush that I use to contour my face with. I don't know if that's even true or not, but my sister was actually the beauty guru in our family. Her makeup was always flawless. It was always amazing. But when she got into her car accident and died almost instantly, her secrets went with her. And she never taught any of us how to apply makeup. And when she did, it was mostly on Snapchat, which it was deleted 24 hours later. So none of us know how to apply makeup as well as she does. Me most of all. As a matter of fact, I don't even know how to apply eyelash, and I've always thought that I didn't need to because my eyelashes are really long anyways. But on my wedding day, my makeup artist actually put eyelashes on me, and I was like, ooh girl, this is a whole new level, and I actually kind of fell in love with it. So I want to do this little segment called Leticia Tries, and I will try new different things that I have been so completely terrified to try, but I'm going to do it anyways. And the first one I'm going to try are eyelashes. I'm pretty cheap and I don't know what is the correct eyelashes to wear or which one's the best product or the best brand. I really don't know, but like I said, I'm pretty cheap. I mean, I'm financially stable, but I like to pretend that I'm poor and can't afford anything, just so whenever I have when I get my paycheck, I'm not tempted to spend it all. So it's just kind of like this mentality that I have, that I can't afford anything when I probably can. I just choose not to. So I decided to get e.l.f, my bad, e.l.f, and I bought the Lush. This tells you how bad I am at makeup and reading. Some kind of lash kit. It's called Starstruck, and it is multi-dimensional lashes for full volume and length. So it kind of looks like this. So let's get to it. Obviously I haven't done my makeup, so I did that on purpose so I can kind of also do my makeup with you guys, and you guys can kind of see how I do my makeup. If you're ever interested, I don't know, you might be someone who doesn't wear a lot of makeup like I do, and you want to try something new, but you're not exactly sure what to do, or if you want to go one step further and not go super crazy with the makeup. So, if I explain myself. Okay, so what I'm going to do Oh, first and foremost, always wash your face. I always wash my face, and then I put on a little bit of facial cream because that is important. And I just realized that I forgot something that I kind of need, that I am starting to use, and I absolutely loved it the last time I put on my makeup. So hold up, and I'm back. So I have this Aqua Primer Mist. I don't know what it does. I don't know what it's for. I know that you put it on before you put on your makeup, after you put on makeup. I used this when I was at Disney in my honeymoon, because you know, Florida, it gets humid and hot and you tend to get sweaty, and I wanted something that I could take with me that won't you know, make my makeup all smudgy and whatever, run. And so I bought this mostly for that, and I sprayed it on my face after I did my makeup before, every day before I went to the parks, and it was so awesome. It actually made my makeup stay. So after I wash my face and put on my facial cream, I'm gonna spray this. All right, and I always like to start with my eyes first. So I am going to use, honestly, like I said, I'm not really good with makeup. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't even know what kind of brushes I need to use. So if you love makeup and you are seeing my video, please help your girl out, because I need help. I would normally ask my sister, but there's only like a one-way communication, and I can't really do that. Like, I can't really hear what she has to say. She can probably tell me, but I won't be able to hear. Sad story. All right, so I am using the eye crease brush that I used from e.l.f. Yeah, and I'm going to use, I don't know what this is or what color it is, but it's like this gold looking eye powder that I got from MAC. And I should probably throw this away, but I love it so much that I really haven't. I got this back in like 2011. Okay, so with my brush, I have a little bit in here, so I'm going to tap on it, and then tap some more. I'm gonna put this on my eyelid. All same. Like I mentioned earlier, I'm really cheap, so my makeup comes from Walmart. Sometimes I even get like the makeup palette from like when you're checking out, and they have like all this little last minute things, and yeah, so that's where I got this. Super last minute. I wasn't even thinking about it until I was checking out, as you know, things happened. All right, I think I'm going to use this color. I wish I could tell you what color it is, but it doesn't have any. And I am going to put this like on top of the gold right here. I don't know what that's called. I suck at science and body parts. Next, let's see. Ooh, let's do this one. I'm going to use this color. It's kind of like a darker shade of gold. It's still brown, but it's like kind of dark, so I kind of like that. I'm going to put it like on this corner here. Now I'm going to use this shiny color. It's slightly darker than the one that I just used. And as you can tell, I'm just really awesome. Really, really good at makeup tutorials. And I'm just going to put it like right here in the corner, like bottom corner. Alright, perfect. At least to my standards, I don't know. some beauty guru might be looking at this video and be saying, oh my gosh, what on earth is she doing? I do what I can. Normally, this is the part when I put on my mascara. So I guess that would be the time when I would put on the eyelashes. So, I'm so nervous. I don't know how to do this. I'm so scared. Scary. Alright, I'm going to use this Kiss Lash Strip. If I were to read that right, it is actually Kiss Strip Lash Adhesive. So it's a brush on. How to apply, check fit, trim if needed. So I'm gonna grab these handy dandy. Can I actually even grab with that? How? Okay. A lash fell off. You know, I don't trust these. I'm gonna use my own tweezers. Alright. Very carefully. Oh, what is that? This is so nerve-wracking. Oh gosh. Okay. Alright. Okay. I'm so scared. Okay. But what I don't get is, what is this goop? What is that? Do I take it off? Do I leave it? I do. I wish I had my sister. Okay. Okay. I'm having problems with these ones. I don't know why I went back to it. So it says that I do need glue, that I do need to apply the glue. But then this one says to apply a thin line of adhesive to lash band. Wait 30 seconds until tacky. I don't know what that means. Apply lash along natural lash line. I think I got it. Oh no! No, I got on my sweatpants. My goodness, how can girls wear these? Oh my gosh, this is so hard. Let's try this again. Did I do it? I think I did. Ooh. The only thing is the scoop from the packaging. What the heck? What in the world? Oh. This side kind of looks like it's a little bit crooked. Okay, girls, whoever puts on fake eyelashes, how? How do you do it? Because this seems like it's impossible. Like, I think I got it. Okay. See, it's this little goop thing. I don't know if you can't tell, but like that is really bugging me. And I can't tell if that's from the package. Oh, well, it is from the package. Let's try one more time. god, that is so insane. The difference it makes. Oh, girl. Okay. Okay, I get it. I totally get it now. I get it. Ooh, girl. Alright, let's get the other one started. Why did this one come out super weird? I think I got it, but it looks like it's lifting. Ooh! I like! Ooh, it's not as hard as I thought it would be. It kind of was hard, but not that hard. Oh my gosh! I did it! Yo, you have no idea how happy and excited I am right now. Oh. Alright, I'm just gonna finish doing my makeup and yeah, we will get to the end. So just give me a minute. And there we go. I really wasn't going to do a full makeup, like a full face, because, well, honestly, after this video, I'm just gonna go to Walmart, and you don't need to make a full face to go to Walmart. So yeah, opinions about this. Honestly, I think I'm gonna start using lashes from now on. I totally understand why girls and guys are totally obsessed with them. I have to admit, I thought it was going to take me longer, like a lot longer, to put on my eyelashes, but it was actually not that hard. Yes, it may have taken me a while, but I got the hang of it, and I think that if I can do it, so can you. So thank you so much for watching this video as I try to do something new. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, as I know that you actually enjoyed it. And comment down below if you have any tips on how I can apply this easier, or there's anything that you think I might want to know, or any pointers. Please do help your girl out, because I have no idea what I'm doing when it comes to makeup. So if you have any tips, please comment down below. And if you would like to see more Leticia tries new things, please let me know. Let me know if there's anything that you would like me to try new or something else. Please do it. I would love to do this. Whew, my hair. I would absolutely love to try new things that I'm completely afraid of. So thank you so much for watching this video, and I will see you next time. Peace, love, and hair grease.